to show you how to edit this image, and we kind of called it like scared little girl, something like that. The idea behind it is a little girl in her room in bed, and she's scared, and she's kind of looking at the window. Obviously isn't really there, but the way we set it up, hopefully it will come across that that was our idea. So if you're interested in how this was actually lit and set up, you will find the video for that. Now what I've done so far is I've pulled all of these images into Camera Raw. I marked the ones that I liked the most. And then what I do is I bring them into Photoshop so that I can look at them. So I haven't made any adjustments yet on them. I just brought them in and then I saved them so that I can bring them in and look at them closer. So this one I'm going to get rid of because it's not in focus as much as I want. This one, so obviously she's supposed to be scared, and in this one Lily is laughing. But there was something that I kind of liked about her expression in this, so I'm not going to get rid of it just yet. So there's this one, and I don't know if she's scared. I kind of get that impression. I don't think it's overdone, but it's in focus, and I like her expression, so I'm going to keep that one as well. I'm going to get rid of the laughing one for now because I like this one more. And then there's this one, and you can see I have my camera my camera strap is in the way right there, but it's not a big deal because I'll crop into it and I can fix it, so I'm not too worried about that. That one's not bad, so we'll keep it for now. This one, it's very similar to this one, and I think between the two I like that other one better, so I'm gonna get rid of that. This one, nah. And then there's this one, and let's check the focus on it. It is in focus. How do I feel about it compared to this one? Let me zoom out. This one, I think, reads more scared than this one, so I'm not sure yet. We'll go to this one over here. Then we're gonna get rid of that one. And then there's this one, and again, we're just gonna get rid of it. So a lot of times when you have so many images that you've shot, it's hard to kind of narrow them down. And so this is kind of the way I do it. And obviously if I was doing a whole series of these, I would probably choose more images than what I have, but I'm really just looking for one really good image on this. So these are my options between these three. I think it's between this one and this one, and I think I'm gonna go with this one. I like that we see a little bit more of her in this, and I do think her expression reads scared, but I like that one too. I'm definitely gonna get rid of this one. So in between these two, I like that the blanket is over more, but that's an easy fix. So I think this one reads scared more. So I probably will keep 44, this one, sorry, for maybe an edit itself. But as of now, I think the one I'm going to show you is this. So what I'll actually do is we'll start with like skin retouching and fixing the camera strap, cropping, and then the final edit on it. And I'll break it down in parts so that you can kind of focus on whatever it is you need to. So we're going to go with this one, I believe, and stay tuned to see how I edit it next.